Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're taking a look at the Mugteeve 50-foot red XLR Male to 1/4-inch TRS balance cables, which come in a convenient 2-pack. These are designed for connecting audio equipment, specifically taking a balanced or unbalanced audio signal from a 1/4-inch output and sending it to an XLR input. Think mixers, DJ controllers, keyboards, or electronic drums connecting to powered speakers, studio monitors, or audio interfaces. One of the standout features is the length, a generous 50 feet per cable, giving plenty of reach for various setups. And getting 2 in the pack is great value. The vibrant red color isn't just for looks. It can be really helpful for organizing and identifying cables in a complex setup. Looking at the build quality, these cables feature a nylon braided coating, which adds durability and helps prevent tangles. The 1/4-inch TRS tip is gold-plated, which is standard practice for ensuring good signal transfer and resisting corrosion. Internally, they've used OFC shielding, specifically mentioning 90% OFC spiral shielding along with silver paper coating and threaded cotton. This construction is aimed squarely at reducing signal interference, keeping out RFI and EMI to ensure a clean, noise-free signal without buzz or hum. They also highlight a drag-proof solution within the connector itself, designed to protect the internal wiring from strain. It's important to note the intended use cases. While they work with balanced or unbalanced 1/4-inch outputs, you'll only get an unbalanced signal if the source is unbalanced. They are specifically recommended for powered speakers and not passive ones, as passive speakers require external amplification. Also, they advise against using these to connect a guitar directly to an XLR mic input due to impedance mismatch issues. Overall, these Mugteeve cables seem built for reliability and clean signal transfer over long distances, offering a practical solution for many audio connection needs, backed by a 2-year warranty.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.